Hi, my name is Andrea Johnson, and I am with C Math is Easy. I am one of their math intervention specialists, and I'm a co-founder. I have a question for you. Is your child struggling right now in math? But then here's the actual question is, was your child behind before the pandemic? Do you feel like it's too late? You don't know how to help your child? There's not any real tutoring going on. They might be trying to help your child during the virtual school, virtual time, but is it working? Are they meeting your child where they are? Or do they just see them as one big group, trying to drag all these kids who are missing so many skills, dragging them through, and like they did for, after March, just pass them on? You know there's something missing. But what do you do? Can you invest in a few more minutes in a Zoom workshop for your child to catch them up? Can you imagine your child no longer dragging to go to their math class, trying to do their homework, and stuck after each problem, not able to work independently at all? Do you know why? Because there's something that they missed from before. I'm here to ask, would you be willing to be a part of a weekly class just to build foundation and to fill the gap in those skills that they missed or they never really understood at the beginning? Can you imagine your child can't wait to get to math class? They can't wait to do their homework. They actually like math. Wow. How much is that worth to you? Would a few more minutes on a Zoom meeting be worth your child no longer struggling and behind? I have so many parents saying, you just don't know what you did for my child. They have confidence now. They know that they can do it. Guess what? They have a hope now. The parent has a hope. The child has hope. Can you imagine not having to pay for remedial math classes when they finally get to college? And not wasting hundreds or even thousands of dollars on classes that don't even count towards their major and their career? Well, let me know. That's what I'm offering here. Can you imagine maybe 30, 45 minutes once a week, just building some basic skills and filling in the gaps? Well, let me know so that you and your child can see that math is easy. I hope to hear from you soon. God bless.